Now let's apply random forest classifier. So I will be applying the classifier and you have to calculate the accuracy, confusion matrix, everything. All right, guys. So here, likewise, we have used random forest regressor. Here we will be using random forest classifier. So how do we use that? From learn dot ensemble import random forest classifier. Random is equal to random classifier of n underscore estimators. So what does this underscore estimators mean, guys? 10, comma, what does this n underscore estimators mean? Criterion is equal to entropy. Powers? Powers of what? Why did powers came here? Why this power came here, Haripriya? State equal to 0. Nitya, good? Guys, what does this n estimators done is? So after Nitya have said the answer, you are saying the answer, everyone. Guys, did you remember what does this n underscore estimators mean? Is it after Nitya's answer, everyone giving it to me? Giving the answers to me? Very bad, guys. So you forgot. You said everything. You said we understood, and again you forgotten it. So here in random forest, I already told you that data set will be divided into different data sets, right? So here my data set is getting divided into 10 data sets. So for each data set, a single decision tree is calculated. The output will be the majority, will be the classifications, the majority classifications done by different decision trees. So fit my random forest classifier. Now let us predict it. R pred is equal to random dot predict of now. You guys calculate the accuracy, FPR and TPR, AUC ROC curve, and tell me the answer. Just 2 minutes of time for you guys. So once everything is done, we have to predict the random values, right? Yeah. So what I do is I'll just take yp is equal to, so if it is logistic regression, logistic dot predict of in double array, send the all values which are there in the data set. So let's see what are all the values that are there in the data set. So here, I have number of pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure, thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes predictory function, age, whether he has diabetes or not. So for that, I'm just sending. She has 2 pregnancies and she's maintaining 170 units of glucose, and her baby is like 78 or so. Thickness of her skin is 32. Insulin, she takes 0 units of insulin, and the body mass index that she has is 25.6. And yeah, diabetics pedigree function is 0.345, and then her age is 32. Let's execute this and check whether she will have diabetes or not. If you see 1 means yes, she is a positive, diabetes positive person. Now you can do the same thing for random forest as well as decision tree. So my DYP also predicted that the person will have diabetes. So my random forest also predicted the person has diabetes. So I hope everyone understood how to pass the values here, right? So I've said so many times, how do you do that? So in the same way, you have to pass it here. So I've passed it for logistic regression. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, the class name that I've taken is decision tree. Decision tree dot predict random. All right, guys.